Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you unboxing of my new metallic paints which I got from my recent trip from Switzerland, and this is a beautiful pack of 6 shades. So I will share here in the video the swatches on white and black cardstock, how it looks, and these are super shiny, super pigmented, and also using the same colors I will share one beautiful butterfly bookmark which is looking absolutely gorgeous. So without any further delay, let's start with the unboxing. So these are the beautiful 6 colors of pigmented metallic paints. So quickly I am opening the box, and this is from the Migros brand, which is a local brand of Switzerland for the general store and for the little bit section of stationery. So how I can ignore if I found stationery in other country? I have to pick it, and I got this beautiful metallic shades which come with brush pen. Now I'm just spraying little bit of water to make it active. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now colors are active and I'm just loading my brush, and I can feel the colors are super soft and super pigmented. Now I will share the swatches on white cardstock first. So here I am taking 250 GSM white card base and creating my swatches for all 6 shades. Then I have painted the another block using black acrylic color as the base, and on top of black I am sharing the swatches how it looks. Now quickly removing the liners, and our swatches are completely ready. So I must say the pigmentation is very nice. It looks great on both the backgrounds, and also I am sharing it how it looks under the sun, and it's looking more vibrant and shiny under the sun. Now quickly I am sharing one cute bookmark of the butterfly. So here I am creating the one wing, and then using the tracing paper technique I am creating another wing and making total 2 butterflies. I'm just creating the background and coloring my butterflies using gouache paints, and then for the highlighting purpose I am using gold color of the metallic set. Then at the end, just adding few splashes of bronze color. And after completing the bookmark, it is looking very vibrant. And just for the practice purpose, I have created this flower. I have just done simple shading work, and after adding gold border on each petal, it is looking more dramatic, more attractive, and the flower has changed in beautiful composition. So in this way you can play with different metallic paints. If you have any local craft store near to you, just buy a simple pack of metallic paints. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.